visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. This is still considered a general reading ha? Kasi wala naman pong specific, no? Like, this is not a client reading. But I want you to know that, again, this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Tingnan po natin yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so which means that kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you. So our first card is the Page of Wands, the Sun, and the Fool card. Nakakakita tayo dito ng I feel like this is more of immaturity kesa doon sa age gap, no? Pero pwede rin naman. So, if we're not talking about that, maturity or immaturity of you and your person, then that is the age, alright? Nakakita din tayo dito na siguro itong ating person is maraming bisyo, no? Bisyo, pwedeng ito'y pag-inom ng alak, pagsasabong, recreational drugs, or yung excessive, kahit ano excessive, pwedeng ito'y sobrang magkolekta, no, ng parts ng motor, or ng mga laruan, or kahit ano, no? Something excessive that you feel that is becoming a hindrance, no, sa inyong relationship. So, may mga pagbabago naman. I feel like napag-usapan nyo ito, may mga bagay kayong mga sabihin nating you shared the moments together, shared your thoughts about it. Let's check here with the Page of Wands, the Eight of Coins, and the Ace of Pentacles. Parang feeling mo lahat ng kinikita niya, no, is doon ito napupunta. So, for you, hindi naman para sa akin mapunta, no? There's actually a lot of things, especially right now, di ba? Sa hirap ng buhay. So, parang iniisip mo, meron yung pwedeng paggamitan, no? Either for investment, savings, or, pwede naman din itong yung emergency funds, no? Kasi parang feeling mo nauubos lahat ng kinikita niya, no? Nagpapakapagod siya. You might not see the value, no, of what your person is doing. Pero sige, sabihin natin that gives your person happiness, enjoyment, no? Probably your person's also healing their inner child. Pwedeng wala naman siya ng mga bagay na yon nung bata siya, no? Kaya ngayon niya binibili. Kaso, parang feeling mo hindi balanse, no? I saw a post, no? Sabi niya, he is healing his inner child. Pero binatikos kasi siya, nag-hoard siya ng mga laruan from a specific fast food chain. So, ang dami niyang binili, like box. Sabi ng mga tao is, hindi na yan healing inner child. Kasi baka mamaya box yung binili mo. Kasi kung healing inner child yan, pwede siguro yung kumpletuhin mo yung isang, yung kumpletuhin mo yung set and then itabi mo, no? Sabi niya, that is his way of, yun nga, healing their inner child. Yung mga tao, that's scalping na. Kasi pag naubos yung stock, ibebenta mo yan. So, pag binenta mo, mas mataas ang presyo. So, may kanya-kanyang paksyon, no? Pero sabi niya, humingi rin siya ng apology, no? Lately lang yan, sabi niya, hindi niya na uli gagawin, no? He should have known better. Yeah, so next time, kukumpletuhin na lang niya yung set. Parang ganito yung nangyayari, no? Parang, yes, yung mga bagay na sabihin mong hindi mo nakikita nakakapagbigay sa kanya ng saya. Okay, that's true. Pero para sa iyo excessive na. Paulit-ulit tayo doon, no? With the Knight of Pentacles and the Star. Hindi naman ikaw siguro yung taong sobrang magalit na talagang controlling, oy, wag mong gawin yan, oy, hindi ganito. Yung sa'yo, ini-explain mo. And actually, that's much better, no? Kasi conversation and communication will only happen if there is actually a banters of words, no? Between you and your person. Nangyayari naman. Iba kasi yung you're speaking with the person and you're having a communication with the person. You're speaking with the person, nagsasalita ka lang, nandyan lang siya, hindi mo alam kung naririnig niya. You're just speaking, no? Pero if you're having a communication, that's a different story. Because nagsasalita ka, iniintindi niya, kaya meron ding, you know, binabanggit din niya or meron siyang mga sagot dahil naintindihan niya yung sinabi. That is communication. So, yun yung nangyayari. Meron kayong communication. Sabihin natin may mga bagay talaga din na na-explain mo ng maayos. Yan, siguro medyo tumataas yung tono natin, no? At times. Pero naiintindihan naman ni person. You're not just nagging, no? Probably you're educating your person. With the 7 of Cups, the 4 of Pentacles, and the Magician. I think napaliwanag mong mabuti dito yung, or baka gusto mo ipanood dito sa kanya. Kasi nakikita natin dito that their actions are very delusional already with the 7 of Cups, no? And you're correct with there may be a lot of ways or a lot of sabihin nating pagkakataon, opportunity for your person's money, no? Para ilaan sa mga ibang bagay. With the 4 of Pentacles in here, nakikita kasi natin na yung excessiveness, kasi everything that is excessive, no? Either will really go bad or go to waste. So, okay lang mag-imbak ng tubig, no? Pero pag hinayaan mo nakabukas yung gripo, tumatapon, nag-overflow, sayang, no? It's a waste of the tubig. It's a waste of money, di ba? Kasi yung napupunta sa drain, no? Ang asukal ay okay, no? Kapag ginamit ito ng sa tamang paraan. Pag sumobra ka, that's excessive, diabetes, di ba? So, you catch the drift. Let's clarify here with the 4 of Pentacles. Kasi parang hindi niya na dito makontrol yung mga bagay na it becomes addictive. The 6 of Wands and the 7 of Pentacles. I feel like inantay mo rin, no, itong mga pagkakataon para yung person mo is magkaroon ng enlightenment. And I feel like nagkakaroon na ng enlightenment. With the 5 of Wands and the High Priestess, feeling mo nga, siguro din, no, dumating din yung time na nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, away, and you feel like hindi siya nag-work, no, yung ganong klaseng communication. So I think it's about time, no, to change your ways on how to approach the situation instead of nagging. Probably it's time to really communicate with your person. Communicate, not speaking. Sinabi ko na yan kanina. Five of Wands is clarified with the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Swords. And I feel like magagawa mo ito and masasabi mo na or masasabi ni person na salamat sa guidance. No, I think that your person here is thanking you for guiding your person to straighten the path, widen your person's point of view, or even clarifying those clouds na nandun na sa isip nila, that they probably don't see, but because of you open the door for the enlightenment. So yeah, this is your reading. Kung gusto nyo pong, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And please click the subscribe button, hit the like, comment, share, to help the channel mag-boost at makapasok sa algorithm. And kung kayo po may mga tanong, let me know. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, which means pwedeng lumabas ang sun, moon, rising, Venus, Mars, what have you, no? And of course, this is your reading. Pwede ring lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign and a placement in your chart, no? I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, Gemini, Pisces. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn. I'm seeing Aries, Leo, and Aries are very dominant, no? And Aquarius. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.